Hey everyone, welcome to Men's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to set up payment on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com website, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Click on login and wait a moment. Click on this website button below the website you want to set up a payment method on. Go to settings, click on selling, then payments. As you see, you can set up Stripe, PayPal, or Square as a payment method on Squarespace. And for this video, I will set up PayPal as my payment on Squarespace. Click on PayPal logo and this new window pops up. Fill in your PayPal email address and country here. Click on next. Re-enter your PayPal email address and password here. Click login. Just to let you know, your PayPal account should be a PayPal business and not a personal PayPal account. But you can easily convert your personal PayPal account to a PayPal business. Just look for a tutorial online. As you can see, thanks for signing up. You now have an account and you've successfully integrated PayPal with Squarespace. Click on Go back to Squarespace. Now you need to update the billing agreement. Click on Update and Continue. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Click on agree and pay, and don't worry, there is no transaction here. And as you can see, customers can now pay you using PayPal and Venmo. Click on payments, and now a new green connected status is added next to your PayPal payment method. After setting up PayPal as your payment method on Squarespace, this is how the checkout page will look like. This is my store on Squarespace. Let's click on this banana pack or fun pack, I think they call it. Click on add to cart, and now click on this checkout button, then checkout, fill in your email, select the shipping option, then the shipping address. Click on add, and this is your payment method, pay with PayPal. When the customer will click on pay with PayPal, this small PayPal window pops up and he needs to log into his PayPal account to pay you. And this is how to set up payment on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.